Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the basics. Sign into the Google account you want WhatsApp to use, and make sure Google Play Services is updated. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network because backups can be large and you don't want cellular charges. Plug the phone in or verify at least 50% battery so the process won't be interrupted. Now open WhatsApp, tap the three dots, then Settings, and go to Chats. We'll set Google Drive Backup next. You're in Chat Backup. First, choose a Google Drive backup frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how often your chats change. Next, select the correct Google account. This links the backup to that cloud storage. Decide whether to include videos. That increases size but preserves media. Finally, press Backup Now to create the initial copy. This manual run verifies settings and speeds future automatic backups, so make sure the status shows completion before proceed. To restore on a new or reset phone, install WhatsApp and verify the same phone number. You'll be prompted to restore from Google Drive. Tap Restore and wait. Larger backups take longer, so be patient and stay on Wi-Fi. Once messages load, media may continue downloading in the background. If something goes wrong, make sure you're signed into the same Google account, that Google Play Services is up to date, and that there's enough Google Drive storage. Then retry the restore process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.